Welcome. In this video, we will discuss how to delete a worksheet using Excel VBA. First, let's open our code window. Now we will write our code. This is the code to delete our worksheet. This is the sheet we are attempting to delete proper. First, let's run our code. Now you see when you attempt to delete the worksheet, you get the pop-up box asking to confirm if you really would like to delete the worksheet or not. Now we can also use VBA to bypass this step. So we can use VBA to bypass the window, so this window will not pop up, and you can also use VBA to make a selection to confirm your delete in the background. Let's update our code. So the first piece of code is to suppress that pop-up window we just saw. And for the sake of it, we will copy this piece of code, paste it here. So the reason why we added it twice to the code, the first piece, the first part, is to suppress the pop-up window. The second part, so display alerts equal false, that means the pop-up window will not show on the screen. The second part is in the background, even though the pop-up window is not showing on the screen itself, it is still an option in the background where you have to make a selection. So in the background, we will say display alerts equal true, and that is just us confirming that we would like to delete the worksheet. Now that we have made our update, let's run our code again. And there you have it. The sheet has been deleted. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. We appreciate your support. Link to our Cash App is down below.